As the 2024 Assembly elections in Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir conclude, live exit poll predictions are generating significant interest. If we talk about the Haryana exit poll, the voter turnout has been approximately 63%. Various exit polls, including those from Dainik Bhaskar and India Today, suggest that the Congress party is expected to win between 44 to 60 seats. The ruling BJP is projected to secure 19 to 29 seats. Talking about the key figures, then we saw Rahul Gandhi had campaigned vigorously for its party Congress, while the BJP seeks a third consecutive term, hoping to secure support from independent candidates. On the other hand, the Jammu and Kashmir exit polls indicate a competitive landscape. The National Conference (NC) is projected to emerge as the single largest party, potentially winning 33 to 35 seats. The BJP is expected to secure 20 to 27 seats, with the Congress and NC-led alliance gaining about 35 to 40 seats. If we talk about the vote shares, then in Jammu, the BJP might achieve a 41% vote share, while the NC-Congress alliance could garner around 36%. Both Haryana and Jammu Kashmir's elections results will be announced on 8 October. The exit poll results are expected to provide an early glimpse into the public's sentiments, but past exit polls have had varying degrees of accuracy. Ahead of the Jharkhand Assembly elections later this year, the BJP has unveiled its manifesto, highlighting 5 key promises under the Panch Pran initiative today. The commitments include financial assistance, job creation, housing for all, LPG subsidies, filing vacancies. Additionally, the party will release a 150-point manifesto to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of tribal leader Birsa Munda, reinforcing its commitment to tribal empowerment. This strategic focus aims to attract voters by addressing key issues and enhancing governance in Jharkhand.
आज एक तरफ महायुति सरकार है जो महाराष्ट्र के विकास को ही अपना लक्ष्य मानती है। दूसरी ओर कांग्रेस और महाआघाड़ी वाले लोग हैं, उन्हें जब भी मौका मिलता है वो विकास के काम को ठप कर देते हैं। महाआघाड़ी वालों को विकास के कामों को सिर्फ लटकाना, अटकाना और भटकाना ही आता है। मुंबई मेट्रो खुद इसकी सबसे बड़ी गवाह है।
Ahead of the Maharashtra Assembly elections, Prime Minister Narendra Modi criticized the Maha Vikas Aghadi (MVA) coalition at a rally in Thane, labeling the Congress party as an obstruction to development. He accused the MVA, comprising Congress, Shiv Sena and NCP, of the enemy of development and highlighted issues like population and traffic problems linked to previous Congress-led governments. PM Modi emphasized ongoing infrastructure projects under the BJP, such as a 300-kilometer metro rail network and the Navi Mumbai Airport Influence Notified Area or NANA project. He laid foundation stones for the new developments, reinforcing his message of progress amid claims of corruption and misgovernance associated with the Congress party.
जहां-जहां कांग्रेस के कदम पड़ते जाते हैं, वहां बंटाधार ही होता है।
Election in Maharashtra are expected in just few days, with the current assembly term ending on November 26, 2024.